another use for the constrictor knot is in what's called whipping. And most modern ropes that are made out of nylon or something that you can heat up to singe the threads together, this isn't a problem. But if you have older style ropes that are twisted like the nylon ropes or the the fibrous ropes, which a lot of us have, you might have an issue with it fraying, especially if you cut it. What you do to prevent it from fraying any further is whipping. Normally you'd use something thinner than this, but for our purposes I'm going to use this, just so you can see what's going on. So if you just want to use the constrictor knot for this, you just start it off, and it's just the same thing. Goes through here. Here's your clove hitch. Here's your constrictor knot. This knot is also used in many other types of whipping that are more permanent or stable, and it's used to start and end a lot of those.